to invite our Juris Doctorate graduation speaker, Daniela Carmona, to the podium. Thank you.
Good morning, President Armstrong, Dean Lawson, distinguished faculty, administration, University Board of Trustees, College of Law Board of Advisors, family, friends, and graduates of St. Thomas University College of Law. It is an honor for me to address the class of 2021. I first would like to thank my amazing sister, my abuela, and my fiancé and his family. I wouldn't have made it without your constant support and unconditional love. I especially want to thank my mom, the strongest woman I know. As a single mother of 2 children, she has always been and continues to be my role model. My mom exemplifies the true meaning of humbleness, intelligence, and endless love. I love you, Mommy, and this is for you. Law school has been a hard and difficult road for all of us. In my case, law school by far has been the most challenging experience of my life. However, at the same time, it has been the most rewarding experience as I graduate from law school for the 2nd time. Today is about us. We, as a class of leaders, now move forward to shine even brighter in our professional lives. I want to briefly share my story with all of you with the hope that it may inspire and encourage you to never give up on yourself and in your goals. I was born in Havana, Cuba, and graduated from Havana University School of Law in 2016. Even though I struggled to become a lawyer in a communist country, I was willing to give up my professional life in Cuba and everything that was familiar to me in order to migrate to the United States for a better life and for a taste of freedom. A month after I graduated from the University of Havana, my family and I fled the Castro regime. My Cuban law degree pales in comparison to the opportunity God has given me to start all over in a democratic and free country. My transition from Cuba to the United States has been extremely difficult. I had to learn a new language, I had to adapt to a new lifestyle, and I had to overcome my constant fear that certain goals were far from the reach of a simple immigrant. There was a time when I thought that I would have to choose a different profession. After hearing from a Cuban attorney that it was impossible for me to become a lawyer in the United States, after advisors from other universities told me that my 5 years of legal studies in Cuba could not be used to give me credit in the United States, and that at age 24, I had to start my education all over again in high school. I almost gave up on my dream of becoming a lawyer in the United States. I cried a lot. However, these obstacles did not stop me from following my dream to become a lawyer in this great country. My mother has always emphasized the importance of education. In Spanish, she says, "Mi niña, estudia mucho, trabaja duro, y nunca te rindas." The English translation is study hard, work hard, and never give up. The United States is a land of opportunity, and with dedication, hard work, and faith, anything is possible. I thankfully found St. Thomas University, and St. Thomas University found me. Ever since my first inquiry to the admissions office, I felt the special family connection that SCU is known for. At St. Thomas Law, I found an incredible and diverse community of professors, deans, students, and friends. They all have made me feel welcomed and a part of this community of leaders. No matter my accent, my fears, or the small length of time that I have lived in this country, every person at SCU Law has shown me support, kindness, and empathy. I am beyond honored to be graduating from the College of Law, and I will choose it over and over again if I had to. To the class of 2021, you are now ready to conquer the world. If I was able to overcome those obstacles and graduate from an American university, what can you do? You have all the necessary tools, the freedom, and now the legal foundation to aim as high as you want and exceed in every aspect of your life. And I am confident that you will. This pandemic has made us stronger. We have been through a lot. We have overcome each and every obstacle that we have encountered. And that, by itself, is proof that we as a class can and will achieve everything that we aim to accomplish. From its Latin root, commencement means the beginning. This is only the beginning of our next chapter. This is just the beginning of our standing legal careers. Finally, as we prepare to take the bar exam, I want you to believe in yourself. If we were strong enough to make it this far, we are strong enough to pass the bar exam and continue being the ethical leaders for life that we have already become. Thank you, St. Thomas, for believing in me and for believing in every person graduating today. We will make you proud. Congratulations to all my classmates. We did it. Thank you.